and tie-dye shirt, barefoot for what it's worth. Between sets she said she could help the harmony. Looked like she hadn't eaten in a week, dropped out of school living on the street. Nothing romantic, she's smiling and bargaining with me. It was the fifth song of the set, some old timer a bit upset. Well, that's enough of you, let the young gal sing a song. I didn't argue when she began, from the start she held me in the palm of her hand. I sat there and strummed along. I'd sang that song 100 times, sure I drained the gold mine, but she painted a picture I'd never heard. She was a songbird, one note and heads would turn. She was a morning lady. She was a songbird, they hushed each other, hummed every word. They knew the morning was a long to stay. She'd take the breath away. She was young but then old. The great stories are sometimes told. People to trust would pay. When I suggested that she stay close, buy shoes and make clothes, this songbird flew away. She was a songbird, one note and heads would turn. She was a morning lady. She was a songbird, they hushed each other,